Hello, recent Islington Motor Group. Just going to show around this lovely Puma ST-Line X. The vehicle is a 23 registration. It's a 1 litre automatic. Has great features such as diamond cut alloys, rear sensors, part fabric, part leather interior, a digital cluster, and also that quick clear front heated windscreen. Just show you some interior features now. And you see a really nice modern cabin with that part fabric, part leather interior with the red stitching, really complementing the look inside. Moving on to the rear, plenty of space for any travelling passengers, ISOFIX points for car seats as well. A really nice and accessible boot point, and also with the ability to drop this down onto a lower level, but also open it up to that Ford Puma mega box design. Coming on to the driver's view, as you can see, what a really nice and attractive point of view for the driver when driving the vehicle. You've got that digital cluster in the centre there, infotainment system in the middle. The vehicle has covered just over 16,172 miles and it still has factory warranty left remaining. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle, then please feel free to give us a call on 01225 753 103, or come and visit us at Islington Motor Group along Canal Road. Postcode is BA148RL. Thank you very much.